Then we will continue now the videos what we completed so far, and we'll start now. Thereafter we'll discuss some problems. Are you ready to learn? Yes, let us come. One problem here. A problem given: an angle, if an angle is 6 degrees less than twice its supplement, how much does each angle measure? Again, if an angle is 6 degrees less than twice its supplement, how much does each angle measure? Let us take, suppose each angle is equal to x degree. Since the two angles are supplementary angle, then what will be the other angle? Other angle is 6 less than twice its supplement. So if one angle is x degree, its supplement is 180 minus x degree. So according to the question, the initial angle or the formal angle, first angle, that is x is equal to twice its supplement, 6 less than twice its supplement. So supplement means 180 minus x degree. 6 less than twice of its supplement. Twice of its supplement means 2 into 180 minus x degree. 6 less than means 2 into 180 degree minus x minus 6 degree. So what you got here? 360 degree minus 2x minus 6, that is equal to 354 degree minus 2x. Now according to the question, if that angle is 6 less than twice its supplement, how much the measure of that angle? So x is equal to 354 minus x is equal to 354 minus 2x. Yes or no? So you can find out now. 354, let us take here, 354 minus 2x is equal to x. That means 354 degree, this will bring this side, x plus 2x degree is equal to 354, or 3x degree is equal to 354. Therefore, x is equal to 354 degree by 3 is equal to 108 degree. That means the measurement of that angle is equal to 108 degree, and its supplement will be equal to 180 minus 108, that is equal to 72 degree. Okay? So we have another problem that is related to angles at a point, as shown in the figure. You see carefully. Here angle AOB as shown is a right angle 90 degree, and angle BOC measures 20 plus x degree. Angle COD measures 3x minus 20 degree, and angle DOA measures 2x plus 30 degree. You have to find out the measurement of angle x. Angle AOB is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. And as you know, at angles, sum of all the angles at O is 360 degree. Therefore, this angle plus this angle plus this angle and this angle is equal to 360 degree. So 90 plus 20 plus x plus 3x minus 20 plus 2x plus 30 degree is equal to 360 degree. So you add all, 20 plus 20 and minus 20 cancel, x, 3x, 2x, it becomes 6x, 90 plus 30, 120, so 6x plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. So 6x is equal to, what you got here, 360 degree minus 120 degree, that is equal to 240 degree. Therefore 6x is equal to 240 degree, x is equal to 40 degree. So find x, it is given in the question. Measurement of x is equal to 40 degree. we have another question that related to both. We didn't discuss something here. Vertical opposite angle we discussed. Okay. So we have, look at this figure. We have A, B and C, D are two straight lines. Intersect at O. OE, a ray originating from the point of intersection, that is O. And you have to find out angles X and Y. Here given in the figure, angle AOD is 50 degree. You have to find out X and Y. Since angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, why are they equal? Can you guess? Yes, they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, 2x, similarly, you can tell also angle BOD is equal to angle COA. They are also vertically opposite angles. Now you can take, therefore, 2x plus 10 is equal to 50 degree. So 2x plus 10 is equal to 50 degree. Simplify now to find out x. 2x is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 degree. 2x is equal to 40 degree or x is equal to 20 degree. Similarly, angle BOD is equal to angle COA, vertically opposite angle again. And look at here, angle COA comprises two angles, angle COE and angle EOA. Therefore, this total angle sum you can find out angle BOD, and BOD is also angle COE. BOD is equal to, you can take the help of angle BOD plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. You can find out angle BOD plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, as they are linear pair. Therefore, you can find out angle BOD. Angle BOD equal to 180 minus 50 degree, because angle AOD is 50 degree. Therefore, this is equal to 130 degree. That means angle COA is also 130 degree. So since angle COA or angle AOC is equal to COE plus AOE, therefore COE plus AOE, and COE is equal to 40 degree and angle AOE is 5y. So 40 degree plus 5y is equal to 130 degree. Try to understand. 130 degree we obtain from this linear pair, and this is the sum of these two, 40 plus 5y. Therefore 5y is equal to 130 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. Y is equal to 90. This subtract 90 by 5 is 18 degree. Therefore angle X is equal to 20 degree and Y is equal to 18 degree. That's complete the three problems so far we discussed. If you understood, nice. If you have any doubts, you can give in the comment and ask the questions. It can be clarified. Thank you.